my friends were these young gals, perfectly nice. They weren't the most prestigious crowd. We were, I would say, sort of the second tier in the school. Almost everybody in these little groups were Jewish. But there were the sort of more select elite group and that we were friendly with, and then there was this other group that I became friends with. I was so happy to have friends when I moved there. It was absolutely fine. In the more select group, a person that I was sort of friendly with turned out to be a young woman by the name of Judy Sussman. She later became Judy Blume. And many years later, when I was working at Hampshire College, she came to bring her son as an applicant to Hampshire. And at the time, I didn't realize that Judy Blume, who I knew who Judy Blume was, I just didn't realize that that was Judy Sussman, the gal I'd gone to high school with. So she called me up. She had seen my picture in the catalog, and she called me up the night before, and she said, "Hi, Penina, do you remember me, Judy Sussman, now Judy Blume? Well, I'm bringing my son tomorrow for an application. I was wondering whether we could get together. I saw your picture in the catalog." "Sure, no problem, that'd be great." We make up a time. I went to work the next day, and Kelly was, my assistant at the time. And I said to Kelly, "Look, I'm going to teach my class, but a woman is coming here to visit me. I think her name is Judy Blume." Now, wait a minute, I'm not really sure what she said her married name was, but I think it's Judy Blume. And so the people around her said, "Judy Blume? What do you mean? Is this Judy Blume coming?" I said, "Well, I don't know. Her name was Judy Sussman, and it might be Judy Blume, and I don't know if it's the right Judy Blume, but just tell her to wait." By the time I came back, there was this crowd gathered around, and they're all giving her their books to sign. I don't know how they all got it so fast, but it was kind of a funny brush with celebrity that came out of my high school. Not too many brushes with celebrity came out of that high school.